If you need to collect card payments on Jobber, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do just that. It's really simple, so follow along. So I've got my mobile device over here and I'm in the Jobber app, and you can see over here just under to do I've got one awaiting payment invoice, and this is a sample, so we are going to literally just click on it over here. You'll see a bunch of details of this actual invoice. So over here right at the top you will see a resend and a collect payment, and we are going to tap on collect payment. Now there are a number of ways that you can collect payment, including Apple Pay, PayPal. You can actually have the card being read with the app, and then you can also have manual selections. Now, what I've got is I haven't got any banking details added to my account, so for me to receive any money, I will be doing it manually. So we're going to add the payment amount over here, and if you are only wanting to receive payment for a partial of the total amount, you can actually just click on that and you can edit that. But for now, I'm going to leave it as is, and then the payment method. Now, as I mentioned previously, if you are using a bank account, you can actually go and add that in to your Jobber account in your settings, and you'll be able to receive the payment directly from your mobile device like a card machine. You can now also go and select a payment method, which would be a manual payment method. So let's just, for example, use cash. You can see over here, these are the details. So it'll just have the date. And then you can also say, for example, bank transfer. And this will literally just be a reference. Okay. So once you go into this over here, you can actually add the transaction number as well as some additional details there. And once you're done, you're going to click on collect payment, and you will literally be booking that payment for this invoice that has been issued.